Hi everybody, and this right here is Skylanders. This right here is Skylanders Swap Force. It's Fryno, Scratch, and the Tower of Time. And I'll just open the boxes. First one will be Fryno. There's Fryno. Just open it. Okay. There's Fryno. See? Fryno. I got it from GameStop and Scratch too. See, there's Fryno. There he is, Fryno. And there's the card. Just get out. Just get the card out. Sorry, the card. Now, bending out the card. There's the final card. Fryno's card has 130 critical hit, and the defense is 105 defense. Speed is 80. 25 luck. So then there's the luck for Fryno. And then now it's time for Scratch. The second Skylander that I will be unboxing today. I'll start Scratch. Whoa, that is real fast unboxing. Just open Scratch real fast. Now there's Scratch. Just pull her out. Gonna try and make sure I don't break her or anything. Wow, there's Scratch. Then, I forgot I could do this. There's the Scratch. That is Scratch. And that is what she looks like. And here is Fryno. But by the way, I'll do Scratch's moves. This right here is Scratch has the critical hit is 110. Then defense is 65. Then 100 speed. Then I'll get 65 luck for Scratch. And this right here has been an unboxing for Skylander Swap Force, Scratch, and Fryno. There's the final. Now it's time for the final look over. There's Scratch. Has the real big claws there. Then you see side view. Then there's the wings. She has a golden mask. And then purple, pinkish wings. And then I think she's an air element. Yeah, she's an air element. And I'll see what she could do in the game in the next video. This right here is Fryno. He's a fire element. And he could turn himself into a car and throw. I think he could throw his vehicle too. And I'm not really sure what he can actually do. I just saw some gameplay of him. And I guess we will not figure out until the next video. Oh, I forgot. The Tower of Time. This right here is a magic item in the Skylander Swap Force. Got this one from this replay. Now, let's open. There. It was taped to the card. And then the code was taped to the card too. Wow. So then now just have the Tower of Time, and there is the code. Well, not the code, the card. And I guess that's about it. Like if you want, favorite if you want, and subscribe for more awesomeness. See everyone next time. Bye.